I am begging. Please give me 1 minute. Before you scroll away, before you click on another video, before you decide that this message is not for you, please give me just 1 minute. Maybe you came here by accident. Maybe you were looking for something else. Maybe you have been carrying something in your heart that nobody knows about. Maybe you smiled today, talked to people, answered messages, went about your normal activities, but deep inside, you have been asking yourself, God, when will things finally change? If that is you, please stay with me. You don't have to have everything figured out right now. You don't have to pretend that everything is okay. You don't have to be strong every second of the day. Sometimes, you simply need a moment to breathe and remember that God has not forgotten you. There are moments in life when prayers seem unanswered. You pray, you wait, you hope, and then you look around and wonder why nothing seems to be happening. But waiting does not mean God has abandoned you. Silence does not mean God is absent. And a difficult season does not mean your story is finished. Sometimes God is working in places you cannot see. Sometimes He is preparing something that you are not yet ready to understand. And sometimes the answer is not no. Sometimes the answer is simply wait. I know waiting can be difficult. You may be waiting for an opportunity, waiting for a breakthrough, waiting for peace in your family, waiting for direction, waiting for your prayers to be answered, waiting for a door to open. But tonight, I want you to remember something. God is still God while you are waiting. Your situation may have changed. Your circumstances may have changed. People may have walked away. Plans may have failed. Things may not look the way you expected. But God has not changed. So don't allow one difficult chapter to convince you that the whole story is hopeless. Your current situation is not the final page. There is still more to your story. There are still prayers you haven't seen answered. There are still doors you haven't seen open. There are still beautiful moments ahead that you cannot see from where you are standing right now. So, take a deep breath, slow down, and remind your heart, God is with me. When you don't know what to do, God is with you. When you don't know where to go, God is with you. When you feel forgotten, God is with you. When you feel like giving up on your dreams, God is with you. When you have cried and nobody noticed, God sees you. When you have prayed quietly, God hears you. When you don't have the words to explain what you are feeling, God understands. You may not know what tomorrow will bring, but you can trust the one who already knows tomorrow. So please don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your faith because of one difficult season. Don't allow disappointment to become your identity. Don't allow yesterday's failure to determine tomorrow's possibilities. You made mistakes. You can learn. You lost something. You can rebuild. A door closed. There may be another door ahead. You experienced disappointment. You can heal and not keep moving forward. Your story is not over. And if nobody has told you today, call on dot. You matter. Your life matters. Your prayers matter. Your dreams matter. Your future matters. And your relationship dot with God matters. So stay with us dot for this moment. Don't rush away. Let this be your quiet place. A place where dot you can breathe. A place where you can reflect. A place where you can pray. A place where you can remember that you are not walking through life alone. Maybe this message found you at exactly the right moment. Maybe you needed to hear, keep going. Maybe you needed to hear, God has not forgotten you. Maybe you needed to hear, your story isn't finished. And maybe you simply needed one peaceful moment away from all the noise around you. So stay, listen, reflect, pray with us. And while you are listening, Think about one thing you've been trusting God for. You don't have to tell everyone. Just bring it before God. Say, Lord, you know what I need. You know what I'm carrying. You know what I've been praying about. Give me strength to keep going. Give me wisdom to make the right decisions. Give me peace while I wait. Help me trust you even when I cannot see the way forward. And remember, faith doesn't mean you will never have difficult days. Faith means difficult. Days don't have to have the final word. There may be storms, but storms pass. There may be valleys, but valleys have an end. There may be seasons of waiting, but waiting seasons can change. So don't judge your entire future by what you're experiencing today. Today is one day. This moment is one moment. Your story is much bigger than this moment. And if you are watching this right now, I want you to do something. Stay until the end of this premiere, not because you owe us anything, not because you have to, but because I want you to give yourself this moment. Put down the distractions for a while. Listen with an open heart. Let the words encourage you. Let the prayer speak to the things you have been carrying. And if something touches your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share the premiere with someone who may need encouragement, to maybe a friend, maybe a family member, maybe someone who has been having a difficult day. You never know whose life may be encouraged by simply receiving a message of hope. And if this is your first time here at Heart and Halo, welcome. So don't just listen with your ears. Listen with your heart. Because sometimes one message can change the way you look at your situation. Sometimes one prayer can give you strength to face tomorrow. And sometimes one simple reminder can help you remember what you already knew. God is still with you. So, whatever you are facing, keep believing, keep praying, keep learning, keep growing, keep moving forward. And when you don't have the strength to take 10 steps, take one. When one step feels too difficult, pause, pray, and try again. When you can, you are not forgotten. Your prayers are not invisible. Your tears are not meaningless. Your struggles do not make you worthless. Your past does not have to control your future. There is still hope. There is still purpose. There is still another day ahead. And there is still a reason to keep believing. Maybe your breakthrough begins with simply refusing to give up. So breathe, be still, and trust God with what you cannot control. And that is enough reason to keep going. Welcome to Heart and Halo. Stay with us. Listen, pray, and let this moment remind you your story is not over. Please like, share, and subscribe.